Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं साऊद आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all how to make red and green cabbage, which is Greek salad. So Greek salad or cabbage Greek salad, and what we need is one red cabbage and one green cabbage. So cut this way, nicely sliced thin so you can relish it. So now we will add to this salt to taste. Next we'll go in that crushed pepper, then we need some 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, then we'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we give a mix. So we mix this all together nicely so the vinegar and everything goes nice. So this is like crunchy Greek cabbage salad, and you have to keep it in the fridge after everything is put, then you all can eat. Very simple, and only with this few ingredients so much of salad. Now we will garnish this with, see, I love feta cheese, so this is optional. So I'm going to add some cubes of feta cheese. Now for you all it is optional again. Okay, and we will add some parsley and cilantro. And some parsley and cilantro. And here is our Greek salad is ready to eat. Just like that also, or you can use it, eat it with some food. Hope you all will enjoy this quick salad, that is green red Greek salad, that is cabbage Greek salad. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं आनी एन्जॉय करतलीं. हें इतलेशे हेजे कितले जाले फॉर पार्टी or anything. It's very reasonable to make this salads at home. Thank you. Enjoy cabbage Greek salad. and make it. Just you need one cabbage and you get so much of salad and few dressing. Thank you.